Hello my amazing babes and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber the Baddie. And y'all, first of all, if you are here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you are ready to level up, this channel is all about leveling up your life, making your dreams come true, making things happen for yourself, and being a baddie while you do it. So if that's your vibe, hit that subscribe button and celebrate with me, because as you can see from the title of this video, wow, I officially am a six-figure entrepreneur outside of being a stripper. Now, a little backstory for those of you who might be new here or haven't been following me along on Instagram. My husband and I bought a food truck here in Hawaii this year, well, in April of 2023. We've never owned a food truck, never owned a restaurant. My husband's been a chef for like 20 years, so yes, he has a ton of experience, thank God. But this is our first time starting a real business like this. And we made over $180,000 this year. Now, for clarity, that is not profit. We did not come home with $189,000, but that was our sales. That was our sales for about 7 to 8 months of owning a brand new business. I am just in shock. Not really, because we put in so much work, but I'm mostly, I guess, proud of myself, because a lot of you who are dancers will probably resonate with this. But like, when you're a dancer and you are making so much money, right? You can have $500 nights, $1,000 nights, $10,000 nights. You start to lose the value of money a little bit, but also it makes it really hard to get out of the industry, because you're like, what other job can I do where I also make this kind of money? And that's kind of what my mindset was for quite a while, feeling stuck, feeling like, oh my God, like, I know I don't want to be a dancer forever, but like, I want to keep living this lifestyle. I want to keep, making a lot of money and not struggling. What am I gonna do? And thankfully, I have just been brave enough and risky enough to always take those steps and give things a try. This is not my first time starting a business. 5 years ago, I had Rave Babes, which was my online rave clothing store, which unfortunately I had to shut down because COVID. Then I started an online yoga company, which also didn't really take off at all. I was doing business coaching and social media management, which also didn't really take off. Then I started the Bad Bitch Academy, which is literally just, I love you guys. This is seriously my soul's work. But let's be honest, I make an 100K in the Bad Bitch Academy. So stripping has always been that moneymaker for me. And this is the first time that I've ever had a business where it's like, holy shit, I'm able to provide for ourselves and save up and live here in Hawaii. Our rent is like $3,500 a month, and be able to afford it by having our business. And that has just been so crazy, and it's such a blessing, and I feel so grateful. And I just want to make this video, one, to celebrate myself, but to also give you guys some inspiration and let you know, like, anything is possible for you, and that whatever you want your life to be, you can make it happen. And I'm just here to kind of share some of the lessons that I've learned over this year of transitioning from being a stripper to being a six-figure entrepreneur. Are you guys ready for this? Here's the biggest thing. It takes a lot of fucking work. It takes a lot of freaking work, you guys. Once again, coming from my background as a dancer, it's easy money. Yes, there's hard days, but really, you go to work for 6 hours, come home with $1,000. All you have to do is flirt, dance around in lingerie, talk to people. It's easy, it's fun. You get that instant gratification. You work that day, you got the money. And having your own business is so much more than that. Like, you are in charge of everything. You're in charge of setting things up, getting the staff, being on schedule. Like, there are so many things that I didn't even expect to have to do, and for my life to kind of be taken over by this food truck, which I love, but it is so much work. And it really showed me like what I'm really capable of, because I used to get burnt out dancing all the time. You know, some months I'd work 4 days a week, other months I would work 4 days a month, and it's like, I don't feel like going to work today, so I'm just not. And with a food truck, like, that's not an option. We're open tomorrow at 8 a.m. Our shit's gotta be ready. The food has to be prepped. Everything has to be ready. And that has just required a different version of myself to really boss the fuck up and be like, okay, this is like not an option anymore. You have to do this. You have to get this done. There are no excuses. And it's honestly been really amazing for me to unlock that part of myself, because even with the Bad Bitch Academy and with my business, it's like, yes, I want to launch a program, but I'm not ready, I'm not sure. There's so much room to like talk yourself out of doing the damn thing. Making excuses, now it's not the right time, I'm not ready, I need to learn more, all these things. Like, when I really honestly reflect with myself, I've been making some freaking excuses. But with this business, there is no room for excuses. There's no room to be lazy. And because of that, I've really been forced to give it 100%. I've been forced to go all in. I've been forced to wake up at 5 a.m. and start working. And if that means I have to work all the way through the night to 11 p.m. to get shit done, that's just what I have to do. But in all of this hard work, it has just been so fulfilling to really just have a vision and watch it come to life, and watch the people love what you do and make amazing connections, and really be able to just create something from scratch. And it's also so empowering to be like, damn, I'm a bad motherfucking bitch, because I did that shit. I did it. Like, I am just still amazed that me and my team have been able to do so much. Like, I love the people I work with. We love what we do. We have so much fun. Yes, it's hard work. Like, y'all don't even know, this month alone, I worked like 300 hours, which is like 90-ish hours a week. That's a lot. Now, granted, this month is not normal. We just doubled our team, so now we have 9 people working for us. We're open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Like, we are just doing so much more. We're open 6 days a week. We're doing so much more. And of course, that's going to require a lot more work in the beginning. But hard work always pays off. Your hard work will always pay off. It might not pay off right away, but it will pay off. And really, with me and my story, right? I've been an entrepreneur, and pretty unsuccessful one, to be honest, for 5 years. This is not my first business. I've been practicing and using my skills and doing all this for 5 years. And now, thank the Lord, in this business, okay, all the fruits of my labor are starting to blossom. But it's been a long time coming. I've been putting in so much work, so much training. Like, even on the business aspect of things, I've invested almost $40,000 in training on marketing and social media and branding, and all of that knowledge is really coming in clutch when it comes with doing it for our business. So I really, like I said, I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that you're a bad bitch. You could do whatever the fuck you want. Nothing is impossible for you. The sky's the limit. Whatever dreams you have, I need you to start putting in work. I need you to start planting those seeds, start reading those books, listening to those podcasts, building your website, taking those baby steps, and know that you are on the right path, even if it doesn't feel like it, but you are, and all of your hard work is going to pay off at some point and in some way, and it might be a way that you don't expect it. If I were to talk to myself 5 years ago when I was really struggling growing my yoga business, like, that was just heartbreaking. I was crying every day. I felt like such a failure. I was putting in so much work and losing money every single month. But now, fast forward 4 years now, it's like, okay, that wasn't for nothing. That was practice. That was a test run. That was me getting up my skills and my confidence to where it's like, hey, this opportunity to buy a food truck comes along. I feel confident and ready enough that I could actually do it. So thank you guys for being here on the journey with me. Send me some love in the comments. Let me know if this is inspiring for you. And for all of my dancer babes who are ready to get out of the industry, you're starting to get burnt out, you know that dancing is not your soul's work, let's work together. I am actually opening up some one-on-one coaching spots where I will help you figure out what you want in your life. What is that big picture vision? What do you want your career to be? Do you have a business idea? Do you want to start a podcast, write a book, open a bakery, have a clothing brand? Like, what do you want? And I'm able to help you actually make these dreams a reality. I can help you with your business plan, your branding, creating a website, social media, literally anything that you need. I'm telling y'all, I've had 5 years of experience, and it's honestly it's so nurturing to work with someone who has really been where you've been. Not everyone understands what it's like to be a stripper and making fast money. Not everyone understands the pull and the tug of getting out of the industry, which, by the way, if you haven't watched my video about me quitting stripping, give that a watch. I'm literally crying for like 10 minutes about just so many things that so many women have resonated with. So give that video a like. But yes, I'm opening up coaching spots. So I'm going to have in the description where you can set up a discovery call with me. We can talk about your ideas, talk about what you want to create, and see your possibilities of working together, because this could be the year that things turn around for you. When I look at 2023, I did not expect to buy a food truck. All I knew was that I'm moving to Hawaii. And here I am, literally not even a full year later, and we made $189,000 in our business, which is freaking insane. And the same is possible for you, and it's gonna take a lot of work, but it's possible for every single one of you. So I love you guys so much. Please comment below if you are enjoying this video. Let me know what resonated with you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.